This is a 32-foot length of a California redwood tree. It was hollowed out with a knife and an axe and turned to a forum caravan. Famous seal cross. That cross was a gift from the Vatican in 1965. That was when the Spanish arrived, they actually broke protocol. Technically, they should have dedicated the land to King Philip II. Instead, they dedicated it directly to God. Like that sounds close to nobody better related to. Anybody with a smart phone can find out the best of men. Each bastard weighs 600 pounds. And only time to pick the whole thing, the Methodist French House of Men. If this church is modeled on that of St. Mark's, the church in Venice, Italy. It features white. He wanted to build a winter home model on the western wing of the Alhambra Palace of Spain. So they built the structure we call the Anthony Street. Originally known as Hospital Street, after visuals of the still outside the Pentec Museum. Now known as... I'm going to give you a little insight into the Spanish.
I did.
Welcome to the place where legends live. Here at Ripley's Cryptozoology Outpost, we are going to explore fact versus fiction and myth versus reality. The train, and you may sit and take your photo in the role of lead research.
Okay.
First, let's talk about what cryptozoology is. Cryptozoology is the study and research for creatures that have not been proven to exist. So, get ready to explore with us the vast world of cryptozoology, where you can decide for yourself if you believe it or not.
Sayings from love.
We are going to explore fact versus fiction and myth versus reality.
You copy.
Lots of people take red drink, but be too big.
It's a good advertisement.